Welcome back to Vegan Sing. Today we're going to make a really simple dough recipe that'll be great for pizzas, naans, calzones to pitas. It makes the best crispy crust but a really nice soft flaky inside. So what are we waiting for? Ayo chaliye! Let's get started. Let's start off with 4 cups of bread flour. We're using that instead of all-purpose flour because it leads to better crusts that are more soft on the inside for pizzas and naans. Trust me, it's better than all-purpose flour in this situation. Try it and let me know how that turns out. Then I'm adding a 1.5 cups worth of water that already has a teaspoon of yeast and a teaspoon of sugar. Make sure there's sugar because it helps with the activation of the yeast. Now we're gonna mix this with a spoon. Most Italian households would use a wooden spoon, but I'm from an Indian household and all our wooden spoons are stained with turmeric, so this is the best case scenario for me. And then I'll drizzle in some olive oil, about a tablespoon. This will help you work the dough a little bit more. And then knead it a couple of times, then cover it up and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Kiddha? It's been 20 minutes. Let's see the result. Blooper reel. Looks good. Let's knead the dough. Jordan, they say not to play with your food, but what's the fun in that? So this is what we're gonna do. Make sure you have some flour already in your base, and then you're just gonna go ahead and knead it. You're gonna knead it about 10 times, and then you'll be good. After 10 times, put it in the fridge. But before you put it in the fridge, the bowl you're gonna put it in, you're gonna put a little bit of olive oil to make sure your dough doesn't stick. We're gonna cold ferment this overnight, and then when you're ready to use the dough, leave it out for about 3 hours outside of the fridge, and that'll allow it to warm up and it'll be ready for some pizzas, calzones, whatever you wanna make. If you want to go Indian, you can make some naans. If you want to go Mediterranean, you can make some pitas. It's all good. Here's the result. Looks great. Stay tuned for the next episode to see what I do with it. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks for watching.